Yeah. Ah!
What it do, baby?
Don't be scared to get to the money at all times. I went to sleep 3 a.m. I was back up at 6:30, excited. Come on, let's go. You can do it, All that talk you talk, let's do it.
Yeah, shut the f*** up. I ain't like you. I don't need you in the background.
Yo, chill, man.
Oh my god, he on X Games mode.
Boy, if you don't get those squiggly diggly head.
I'ma eat it. And it's the question, is it from the almond of the walnut? Is they squeezing it out of the peanut?
I don't have that answer, and I usually have every answer.
Turn around, I see this. Hella studious. Look at this studious ass food. Damn, this food studious.
What's all that movement back there? What's all that?